Meet the CV90, the world-leading combat infantry fighting vehicle. Designed with a clear vision of high tactical and strategic mobility, air defense, anti-tank capability, and superior survivability, the Combat Vehicle 90, or CV90, is a world-class infantry fighting vehicle built to perform in any terrain or tactical environment. Agile, powerful, and combat-proven, the CV90 IFV variant stands at the core of the CV90 family. It integrates a wide range of weapon systems, providing full-spectrum targeting capabilities to land forces around the globe. So, how strong and effective are the CV90 vehicles? Known in Sweden as Stridsfordon 90, Sturf 90, the CV90 is a highly tactical armored combat vehicle family developed between 1984 and the early 1990s to meet the operational requirements of the Swedish Army. It was co-developed by Saab, Bofors Dynamics, and Hägglunds, with Bofors responsible for the turret armament and final assembly, while Hägglunds provided the chassis and armored hull. Today, Hägglunds, now part of BAE Systems, produces the entire vehicle. The first units entered service with the Swedish Army in 1993. Since then, the CV90 has gained a solid reputation for delivering unrivaled performance in the 20 to 35-ton class and has been deployed by national forces, the United Nations, and NATO in various missions worldwide, including in Afghanistan. The CV90 family is available in multiple configurations. The CV90 Mark 0, or CV9040, is the original variant equipped with a Bofors 40mm cannon and used exclusively by Sweden. However, this early model featured a non-stabilized cannon, making it ineffective at accurately firing while on the move. It also lacked sufficient night fighting capabilities, mainly because it was essentially a prototype platform for the entire CV90 family. CV90 Mark 4, the most advanced variant. Yet the CV90 Mark 4 represents the fifth generation in the CV90 evolution. It combines over 20 years of battlefield experience with cutting-edge technology for modern, high-intensity warfare. Key features: a 1,000 horsepower Scania engine with X300 heavy-duty transmission, increased weight capacity, up to 37 tons, with no compromise on agility, advanced torsion bar suspension, with rubber road wheels and optional Susi rubber band tracks for quieter, more durable performance. The Mark IV offers both two-man turrets and unmanned weapon stations. The welded steel turret houses a commander and gunner with electric turret traverse and emergency manual controls. It supports 30mm, 35/50mm, or 40mm automatic cannons, 120mm smoothbore tank gun, Spike LR or other ATGM launchers, optional 7.62mm coaxial machine gun, 40mm anti-ground laser, or even laser weapons. The right side of the turret stores two anti-tank missile launchers, which are raised internally for firing. Alternatively, this compartment can house UAVs or reconnaissance gear. Each side of the turret includes 8 smoke grenade launchers, providing 360-degree protection. From its humble beginnings as a Swedish prototype to its latest AI-integrated Mark IV version, the CV90 series has become one of the most adaptable and effective infantry fighting vehicles in the world. But what do you think? Can the CV90, especially the Mark IV, remain unrivaled on the modern battlefield? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.